In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error with your iPhone messages not being delivered. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're ever getting an error where your messages are not getting delivered here on iPhone, here's how you can fix it step by step. The first thing that you're going to want to try is just a quick network refresh. To do this, pull down in the top right corner where your battery icon is and simply just toggle airplane mode on and off, and then close the message app fully and reopen it before retrying. That's just a brief fix. Don't worry, we have a lot more to cover here in this video, but it's a good way to just test to see if you just need a quick refresh. If it's just one specific text failing, find that specific text, and what you're going to want to do is just long press on that text and hit more and then delete that message and then try resending it. Don't worry if you have iCloud backup, you could just restore it later if you need to. I also would recommend checking for a carrier update. You can do this by going to your settings and then going to the general option and selecting about up at the very top. If an update is there, it's going to pop up with an update. Go ahead and install it. That being said, if that's not the issue, go back to your settings and go up to the very top and search for messages just like so and open up this section. What you're going to want to do is toggle off the iMessage icon and toggle it back on. This is going to refresh the connection, and also check to see while you're in here if the recipient of your message is blocked, because if it's blocked, that might be why your message isn't going through. Now, finally, what you could do is restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This is a forced restart. It's not going to erase your data, but it is going to refresh iOS. But that's everything that you could do to fix your messages not sending here on an iPhone. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.